Okay, so what's up guys? If you look at my screen here, you can see that here it says trade Bitcoin. It says 51,058 US dollars right here in BTC. And in this video, basically what I'm going to be showing you guys is how you can actually get free Bitcoin for yourself. So I'm going to reload this thing right and show you guys that this is actually what Bitcoin is at right now. And I'm going to be showing you guys basically how you can go out there and start getting Bitcoin for yourself from anywhere you are around the world, right? So this doesn't matter like whether you're a beginner or someone that had experience with crypto already, right? What I'm sure of is that by the end of this video, I'm going to teach you a way and a site that you can actually use to go out there and start getting free Bitcoin for yourself from wherever you are around the world, right? So the good thing about this method is that when you actually start getting Bitcoin right now, start accumulating the little coins that are going to be giving you from the site, and I'm going to show you at some point, you're going to have the money. For example, let's say you get at least $100 worth of Bitcoin. When Bitcoin actually doubles, because obviously around next year to next 2 years it's going to double. When it actually doubles, you're going to end up making way more money than you actually have now, because the coins you will collect from what I'm going to teach you in this video is going to obviously double and triple and all, right? So that's basically one good thing of actually doing this type of stuff, right? So pay close attention to everything I'm going to show you in this video. And yeah, let's get into the video. So the first thing I want you guys to do is to first of all go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, turn on notifications,
and yeah, you should subscribe to my channel because I make videos about making money online here. I teach you guys things about making money online, crypto stuff and all, because that's what I do for a living. So when I find something that's working for me, for example, the Bitcoin site I found today, I come here, I share it with you guys, showing you guys what I'm doing, what's working for me, so that you guys can basically copy what I'm doing, do the same thing and actually get the same results or even better results for yourself, right? So the point of everything I'm saying here is that you should subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications to get notified each time I drop new videos here about making money online. And also, apart from that, go down to Instagram and hit the follow button right there on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram right there, and yeah, just show me some love on there. And now, once you've done those things, I'm now going to get into the video and walk you guys through everything you're going to need to know as regards getting free Bitcoin for yourself from anywhere you are in the world, from any country, regardless of your age and all, right? So first of all, there are a few things you're going to need, right? You're going to either need an account on Coinbase, which is the one I actually have right here. You're going to need an account on Binance or KuCoin, right? So one of these three right here, and I'm going to walk you guys through the basics of creating accounts on each and every one of these websites right here, right? So I'm going to log out of my main Binance account right here, and when I sign out, I'm going to try to create another account right here in this video just to show you guys how everything is going to look. So when you get onto the main Coinbase website, it should look like, let me go to coinbase.com right here. So when you get into the main Coinbase website, it should look like what you see on the screen. It should say jumpstart your crypto portfolio and stuff. It says Coinbase is the easiest place to buy and sell cryptocurrency. Sign up and get started today. So you can put in your email address right here, click on get started, or you can just come here and click on get started at the top right here. It's gonna ask you for your first name. So let's say your first name is Michael. You should write Michael right here. And once you've done that, go to where it says last name, put in your surname, sorry, your last name. I don't know, but you know what I'm talking about, your last name. So let's say King right there. So Michael King is your name. So come down here where it says email, put in your email. I'm going to put in an example from one of my disposable emails. I'm going to come here, choose a password. So choose something that you're going to remember. And while creating accounts on Coinbase, they always ask you to use things that like words that are not random, right? So what you should do is look for something creative. So I'm going to do something like, okay. Then now that I've done that, I'm going to click on that I agree here. I'm going to go ahead and click on create account. And once I click on create account, what's going to happen is that they're going to send you a code straight to your Gmail, like the email you use to create this particular account. They're going to say that you should verify your email. So come here, first of all, click on dismiss, and yeah, go into your email. Here, this is the email here. So say it's Coinbase, please verify your email address. So when you're here, obviously, come here, click on verify email address, and when you click on verify email address, it's going to take you into Coinbase, and you should be inside of Coinbase right now, right? So now it's going to ask you for your phone number and all, but I'm not going to go over those things because I have already used my phone number for my main Coinbase account, so I'm going to have to go back and log into my main account. Yeah, so let me get back and log into my main account. But before that, I'm going to walk you guys through overviews on Binance and KuCoin, because some of you guys might want to use Binance, some of you guys might want to use KuCoin. It just depends, but basically the process is all the same. It doesn't really have to, it's not really different, right? So when you come to Binance, Binance is the same thing as Coinbase, but Coinbase has a neater and simpler user interface. But with Binance, it looks more complicated, but they actually allow more countries on their platform. That's why I said that this thing is available for anybody at all, whether you're from Nigeria, Bangladesh, USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, wherever you are in the world, is going to work for you. Just choose either Coinbase, Binance, or crypto. Either Coinbase, Binance or KuCoin, right? So for Binance here, if you come here, click on this X right here to close this thing right here, then scroll down here to where it says register now. Click on where it says register now, and when you click on register now, what's going to happen is that it's going to bring you to a place where it's going to say create your account. So here it's going to say where do you live and all. So you're going to select your country, click on confirm, then come here, put in your email address for them. I'm going to put in my email address. I'm going to choose a password right there. So choose a password. Okay, I'm going to have to delete everything here. Right, so once you've done that, they're going to ask you for a referral ID, and just leave it blank. Then come here, click on I agree to receive emails. I have agreed to Binance terms of service. Then go ahead and click on create account. But I'm not going to create an account on this one. I'm just showing you guys what it will look like so that none of you guys will get stuck on the way. And I'm showing you guys this because I know that some of you guys might not be able to use Coinbase for some reason. So another option here is KuCoin. Right, so KuCoin is another one of the exchange platforms that we have for cryptocurrencies. So when you're here, you should go ahead and click on where it says sign up right here. When you click on sign up, come here where it says email, right? Click on your email. If you want to sign up with email, click on put in your email here, put in your email verification, put in your login, put in a referral code. That's optional as well. Click on this, then click on sign up, right? So but when you enter your email, you're going to have to click on where it says send code, then you're going to go into your email and verify the code, just like we did for Coinbase right here. And that's basically how KuCoin works. But like I said, I'm going to be using Coinbase as the main example in this video. So I'm going to go and log back into my main Coinbase account, right? So I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do when we're inside of Coinbase, right? So it's saying that I should put my country. So I'm going to click on sign out because I don't want to use that account. I'm going to have to log into my main account, right? So I'm going to click on sign in again. And then I'm gonna select my main Coinbase account. I'm gonna click on sign in. First of all, click on keep me signed in, then click on sign in, and they're gonna sign me into my Coinbase account real quick. And when I'm inside my account here, it's then going to look like this right here. So when you're here, go to this top right here where it says send and receive. Click on where it says send and receive, and it's gonna show you this thing here. So when it shows you this thing, go ahead and click on receive here. And scroll down here, then click on this thing here that says copy. Click on that thing and copy your BTC address. This is the address that you're going to use to be receiving BTC from the site that I'm going to show you, where you're going to be getting free Bitcoin. Right. So once you have this thing, this thing right here, you can either use the one you get from Coinbase, or you can use the one you get from Binance or from KuCoin. But for this video, I'm going to be using Coinbase as the example. So now that I have this thing right here, we're going to go on to the main site. But guys, when I show you guys the main site, don't just go and click off the video and try to do things yourself, because you're going to fail. Trust me, you have to follow what I'm going to teach you here, right? So I'm going to show you the site right away, but before that, leave me a like I said. Don't forget to do that. Subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications to get more videos about making money online and making money with crypto and all the good stuff like that, right? So apart from that, also follow me on Instagram and leave me a comment down below saying let's get that crypto money, or let's get those free Bitcoins, or ask me any questions you have down below in the comments. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the site, but I also want to mention that this site right here is not going to make you rich, right? It's not going to make you rich because it doesn't work that way. It's just a way for you to accumulate a little bit of Bitcoin every single day and let the Bitcoin sit over time and let it appreciate, right? It's not going to make you rich, but I'm going to show you guys how exactly you can actually use this site efficiently, right? So this is a site right here. It's called bitcoinget.com. So when you get to bitcoinget.com, it looks like this. It says the easiest way to get free Bitcoin, right? Like I said, don't click off the video, calm down. So when you're here, like I said, you're gonna need your BTC address. That's why I first of all walked you guys through the process of creating a Coinbase, a Binance, and a KuCoin account. So when you're here, you're gonna have to put in one of your Bitcoin addresses right here. So go ahead and put in your address right here. And once you've done that, go ahead and click on Get Bitcoin Now. You click on Get Bitcoin Now. It's going to actually take you here. It says surveys have been discounted on Bitcoin Get. To find a wide selection of high-paying surveys, please visit our sister site, Reward XP. So people have actually been using this site right here, and they've been actually making a lot of money from this site, and there are a ton of people making money from here, right? That's why people have already finished surveys that they have for today. So they're recommending Reward XP for us. So you can actually click on here to get onto Reward XP. But I'm gonna go back. To the Bitcoin Get. Now I'm going to click on explore offers right here, and it's going to bring us here, right? Now apart from the survey part, there are other things that you can do, right? You can do free trials, you can do mobile apps, like you can download apps, you can actually go shopping, like buy things online and get a little bit of cash back via discounts in the form of Bitcoin, right? And here the video part, they're actually going to show you a bunch of videos that you can actually watch. But like I said, you have to be here early every single day to actually watch videos in order to get paid by these guys, because there are tons of people collecting Bitcoin from this site. And for that reason, when you're here, sometimes what's going to happen is that people would actually be done watching all the available videos. And one thing you can actually do when you're seeing something like this is you can actually switch your IP address. So your IP address on the internet is your location, right? So you can actually change your location with softwares known as VPNs, right? So you can actually come to the top right here and click on first of all, go to Google and search for something called Tunnel Bear. On Google, search for Tunnel Bear. Tunnel Bear is a VPN. When you go to Tunnel Bear, click on the first one you see, click on somewhere where it's going to say sign up, create an account on Tunnel Bear. And once you have an account, go back to the Google search bar and then search for Tunnel Bear Chrome extension. And then when you search for Tunnel Bear Chrome extension, click on this one here where it's going to say chrome.google.com. Go ahead and click on that. And when you click on that one, what's going to happen is that it's going to open the page for you. Now you're going to have the option to install or add to Chrome. Mine is saying remove from Chrome because I already have Tunnel Bear. So what we're using Tunnel Bear for here to simply change our location and see if we're going to see any offers and videos. So when you install Tunnel Bear, it's going to be at the top here. So click on Tunnel Bear. You can click on here to change countries, right? But when you're here, click on it, and mine is set to United States. You can change that. I'll show you how. Come here and click on, and it's going to change this laptop's location to the United States. And we're going to check if there are still some videos that we're supposed to watch in the United States here on Bitcoin Get. So we simply click on reload real quick, and we're going to see if they have videos. Now boom, you guys can see what I'm talking about here. You can see that we just changed our location from my country here in Africa to the USA, and you can see that we now have a video to watch about food, about sweets, about music, celebrity videos. You can click on here as well. You can see best live videos, gaming videos, fixed videos, adventure videos, movie boss videos, tech talk videos here. We have faves, chillax videos. We have a bunch of things here, gamer sports, desert ninja, and like a bunch of things to be watched right here. And apart from that, right here you can see this is a TV station known as Hideout TV, gaming TV, Hideout Labs. So you come here and click on start earning. You're going to start watching videos, and you're going to start earning Bitcoin, right? You can see a bunch of videos here to be, and once you're done with the United States, you can click on load more offers. Once you're done with the United States, you can simply come back to your VPN here. I'll click on this place where it says United States here. You can change to Argentina, Australia, Austria, Belgium. Like, the countries are actually unlimited, right? So that's actually how to manipulate these guys to get them to give you a bunch of Bitcoin, right? So come here where it says explore offers, click on that. Like, you're gonna see a bunch of offers right here, right? You can actually download this game right now, play this game, and get 39 bits and get 39 bits, right? So here you can actually watch this video and get 24 bits here. You can get a free trial on Shudder and get 22 bits right here. PFM Verify, you can go here and get 30 bits right here. Greenlight debit card, you can get 156 bits right here, right? So like, those are things you can actually do here, right? So apart from that, you can go to surveys. The surveys part that they told us that there was no surveys. You can come here and see what it looks like, right? So here it's still telling us that there are no surveys because people in the United States have taken all the surveys, right? So like I said, you guys have seen how it works. That's how you can actually manipulate these guys to actually make money from their site and get Bitcoin for yourself from their site, right? So if you come here right now and click on here, you can go to my account right here, and you can see details on your account and like how much BTC you've gotten, how much you've not gotten right here. So you can go to your activities right here to see what's up with your activities right here. Go to your payments to see the payments. Go to your referrals, and referral is something else you can actually do right here. So if you actually refer someone here, you're going to be getting 10% of all the Bitcoin that they actually get from the Bitcoin Get website, right? So like, that's literally how the whole thing works, guys, and like, that's how it works. But like I said, this thing here is not going to make you rich. It's not going to make you rich. If you want to make real money online, there are better ways to go about it. But this is for people who just want to get free Bitcoin, who have some extra time to themselves, and you can actually invest in this and actually get Bitcoin, free Bitcoin out of the free time that they actually have, right? So what you can do if you want to like get onto the point where you're making real money is to go and check out my full training, where I actually talk about how I've actually made over $40,000 in a single month using a business model known as affiliate marketing, right? So you can go and check that out. You can click on the link. It's going to be the first link in the description of this video down below. Go to that link, enter your email, your first name, your last name, and click on where it says watch video, and it's going to take you to a place where you're going to watch the full video, right? So I know you guys are wondering, okay, Daniel, like, what's the potential for Bitcoin Get? Like, how much can I make from Bitcoin Get? So I'm going to show you right here. So if you come here Like I said, when you're doing those offers, you're going to be getting paid in bits, right? So it says a Bitcoin can be broken down into smaller denominations called bits. It says 1 Bitcoin is made up of 1 million bits, right? You can see that's actually a lot, and that's why I said that you're not going to make a lot of money right here. So 1,000 bits can actually be gotten in like 48 hours, and 1,000 bits is actually $10. So you can actually get like $10 worth of Bitcoin every 48 hours, and that's why I said that this is not going to make you rich, but it's going to like give you free Bitcoin, and it's gonna appreciate, because as we all know, Bitcoin actually appreciates. So over time, Bitcoin will keep appreciating, and that your $10 might end up turning into $1,000, because people who had $10 worth of Bitcoin back in 20,000 in 2009 are actually millionaires right now. So that's how the whole thing works, guys. If you got information from the video, leave me a like, drop me a comment down below. Like I said, subscribe, turn on notifications for more videos so that you get notified when I drop.